Alright, so this tutorial will walk you through step 9 of the My Budget Project spreadsheet. So the first thing that you're asked to do is calculate the subtotal. So this will be the sum of all these purchases. So I'm going to click on this cell for the subtotal. I'm going to type in equals and then sum, and I'm going to do parentheses and highlight the cells that I want to add together, close parentheses, and then enter. The next task is to calculate the tax. So in Warren County, we have a 7% total sales tax. So I'm going to calculate the tax on the purchase I made. So I gotta do equals and then 0.7 or 0.7 times, which is the star sign, the cell above it, B15, because that's the total. Okay, and then I'm going to click enter. And then finally, for the total amount that I'm actually going to have to pay, including the sales tax, I need to do equals, and then I need to do cell B16 plus cell B15. Enter. And there is my total amount.